Hi friends, thanks for joining me again today for Wednesdays at Lorts. Working from home. It's been a non-stop topic for quite a while now, so today let's talk about remote offices, but more specifically, remote office furniture. There's been a very large change in the past 2 years regarding corporations and how they employ their workforce. It's estimated that up to 41% of the US now work from home, at least part-time. What used to be a job perk has turned into a necessity for some. And if you're going to be at home more, you want your office space to not only be functional, but pleasing to the eye as well. Well, guess what? That's right, we have you covered. Functionality and good design all at once. Whether you're fortunate enough to have an actual room in your home dedicated to your work endeavors, or if you have simply carved a nook in your kitchen or dining area, we can help you and your customer elevate this very important area. We have 14 beautiful desks in our lineup. They're all dedicated to making your space not just functional, but beautiful as well. Whether you're partial to softer and more elegant lines as seen in our 1296 desk, or you prefer a more modern aesthetic like our 1312, or maybe you just want a typical corporate executive look like our beautiful 1340, or we even have something fun and creative as seen in our 1313. No matter what your style is, we can help you. You choose your finish, your lacquer, distressing, and maybe even upgrade your desk with an added electrical and USB port to make your work life even easier. The best part is that every single desk in our lineup is made in the USA and available in 8 to 10 weeks. It's a win-win. If you or your customer work from home, stop by our website and take advantage of our options, our style, and our beauty that can be found when you create an office with Lorts. Thank you so much for joining me today. See you next time.